In a garden where the sun shines bright, blooming flowers bring delight. Come along, let's take a stroll. Learn our names, let's make it our goal. First a rose with petals red, soft as a feather on its bed. Next the tulip, tall and grand, in colors bright they make us stand. The daisy wears a yellow crown, white petals stretching all around. The sunflower, big and bold, turns to the sun, a sight to behold. Lilies in the pond, pure and white, grace the water with their light. Daffodils in springtime cheer, yellow trumpets far and near. The orchid blooms in fancy shades, in hidden spots where sunlight fades. Poppies dance in fields so wide, with colors like a painter's pride. The violet whispers soft and sweet, in the shade it finds its seat. Marigolds with golden hues, brighten gardens, chase the blues. The iris stands with colors true, purple, yellow, red, and blue. Hyacinths with scents so sweet, make the air a fragrant tree. So many flowers, each unique, with colors bright or pastel neat. Learning names is such a joy, for every girl and every